Here we are at the Birds of a Feather bird show. I'm making a little movie of the thing for YouTube to show all the things that people have and stuff. It's kind of nice. Foraging small box kit, that's neat. And a Mr.
I went to the laundromat, had to make photocopies for the program I was doing.
Red-headed parrot finches. Green singer. Spice finches. Oh, what are these for? Look at this one. Not that pretty.
Yeah, it's looks fun.
He's going to eat.
He's going to try. Come here. Come on, baby. Open that little baby. Come on. Come on. But no, I'm exhausted from the fight. Oh, he's tired. Poor little buddy. Just wants to get warm. I stick him in my pocket. Come on. Come on. He's really pretty.
Look, we have a escapee here. Hello there. How you doing? You look friendly, huh? Look at these. That's different. Birds from Sarah's mother's attic. Pretty.
Hold on, they're not right. There you go. Можешь это тут сказать? Okay, mom. Yeah, they are.
Indian ring.
Would it be possible to cancel the one with the chat?
Which one of those me? Which one?
Hey, where's bird chart?
Right. We're away with that now.
I'm going to go down this side now. $150 a pair.
They're still babies. What are you doing? Taking my picture?
Yep.
Will I be famous? So we better.
Look at these fruits. They're different. I'm sure there's
Pedinho esse garotado também.
Well, look at these fruits over here. It's like a creamsicle. Make an offer.
That you're interested in, you can make an offer on anything you're interested in.
I gotta get the picture in with the birds on you there.
This is the Society of Parrot Breeders and Exhibitors sales store items. Are you a member?
No.
SPBE? Do you have parrots?
Yes, we have 3.
You should really be a member. We have a wonderful journal. Here's a complimentary copy.
Oh, great. Well, look at it.
We're doing a special 3 years for $50, which is a good deal. If you want to join today, and you can have the decal and this.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Well, look at all that.